Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make egg rice at home, easy method. Begin by rinsing 2 cups of rice and cooking with 3 cups water until tender. Whisk 2 eggs with salt and pepper, then scramble in 1 tablespoon oil until soft. Fold eggs into fluffy rice and add soy sauce and chopped scallions to taste. Serve hot, enjoy right away, and adjust seasoning as you prefer. To make great egg rice, gather 2 cups cooked rice, 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon oil, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, and chopped scallions. Use pre-cooked rice chilled for better texture. Season with salt and pepper to taste, and add a splash of sesame oil if desired. Keep ingredients simple so flavors shine. Serve within 10 minutes for best results. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. I thought I'd share it quickly. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading recipes while rice cooks and fits easily in a kitchen drawer. Its crisp display and long battery life make hands-free reference simple during cooking. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a skillet over medium heat, then scramble 2 eggs until just set and still moist. Push eggs aside, add 2 cups cooked rice and stir fry on high to break clumps and warm through. Pour 1 tablespoon soy sauce, toss evenly, then fold eggs back in gently. Finish with chopped scallions, a pinch of pepper, and a quick taste check for best flavor.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.